Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are the Consentia Juris team, and as the presenting group, we will presenting the subject of legal subjects and society. The group consists of Kayla Aliza Sadia Barus, student ID number 24 36 90 17, and Faiz Pasha, student ID number 24 36 91 18, and me as the moderator Afiananda Kurnia Aif, student ID number 24 36 90 63. And the first subject would be delivered by Kayla. And that is yours.
And I'm going to read the material about the definition of legal subject. The strong legal subject comes from the limited subject that is supported of right and obligation. The first defines a legal subject as a supporter of right, meaning a human being or body, according to law, has the authority to be supporter of right. The rational principle is explained that legal subjects are the practices related to the legal system. Next, characteristic of the legal subject and society. One is having right and obligation. Right is ownership, inheritance, legal protection, and obligation is like pay taxes or obey the law. The government can take legal action by making agreements, making sales and cases, and fighting lawsuits. And fourth, recognized by law, human is automatic since birth, and legal entity is there must be legal definition or establishment. And fifth, abstract and juridical in nature. Can be a individual or entity like company, foundation, or country. And last but not least, connected to the community. Right and obligation are carried out for the common good. And then legal basis of legal subject and society. For civil code, Article 2 of the civil code is a child who is still in the womb is considered to have been born if the interest of the child required, especially in terms of inheritance, so that the child in the womb can have inheritance right. And then Article 1653 of the civil code is a legitimate association or institution is recognized as a law. And then the 1945 Constitution, Article 28b(1) is every person has the right to recognition, guarantees protection, and fair legal treatment as well as equal treatment before the law. And then Article 28b paragraph 3, the right to associate, assemble, and express opinion, like basis for recognition of community legal entities. And then types of legal subject and society. The first one is human or natural person in Dutch. Legal subject because from birth to death they possess right and obligation recognized by law. The first one right is the right to life, the right to property, the right to a family, the right to education, and then the right to legal protection. And the second one is obligation, such as obeying the law, paying taxes, respecting the right of others, and maintaining social order. And as of from Harris to
The second part of the material subject would be delivered by me. Type of legal subjects and society is human, and society becomes a place of interaction or rules or social norms and law of our world. Law regulates human relationship is to maintain order, justice, and protects the common good. Not all humans are considered legally competent. Adult and young, adult and of sound mind considered legally competent. Children, people under guardianship, or those who are mentally unhealthy are not legally competent, so they need a guardian. Case example: an unborn child receives a portion of the inheritance from its deceased father. As a legal subject, the fetus is legally recognized for certain purpose, which is inheritance right. In society, the law serves to protect rights of children, even those who are not yet born. A legal entity is an association of people recognized by law or established by a public authority and established for specific purpose that does not conflict with law or morality. Based on Article 1653 of the Civil Code. According to Ersuaso S.A., the requirements for becoming a legal entity are having assets separate from its members, the rights and obligation of the legal entity are separate from the rights and obligation of its members. Types of legal entities. First is public legal entities established by the state for the public interest. Second is, example, regional governments, state-owned enterprise, or state institution. Second is private entities established by the public for specific interest. Example, limited liability companies or LLC, cooperative, foundation, and association.
Next, that is of legal entities. Business activities, production, distribution, sales of goods or service. Relationship with other parties, contract and collaboration. Maintaining sustainability, human resource, capital assets. Social and environmental responsibility, environmental standard, community contribution. Complying with regulations, taxes and company rules. Protecting the interests of members or shareholders, defines financial transparency. Case example: PT Lapindo Berantas Sidoarjo Makro 2006. Legal subject: PT Lapindo Berantas Limited Liability Company. Incident: gas drilling caused a hot mud flow in Sidoarjo, damaging thousands of homes, schools, and residents' land. Legal aspect: PT Lapindo was sued by the community for compensation, and the company, as a legal entity, is responsible for any legal actions that harm the community. Impact if legal subjects are not protected. First, loss of legal certainty. Second, loss of trust in the state and law. Third, social and economic injustice. Fourth, conflict and chaos. Fifth, human rights violations. Next, conclusion. Legal subject and society include humans and legal entities that have rights and obligations in social life. The existence of law serves to regulate relationships between legal subjects. The remedy creating certainty, justice, and order. Legal protection is crucial to ensure that the rights of legal subjects are not violated and that the interests of society are protected. Without protection, legal uncertainty, injustice, conflict, and even a loss of public trust in the law and the state will arise.
Now we will open for discussion. We will allow 3 questions from you guys.